The objective of this movie is to understand how to log in and to gain an overview of the website creation system. Before you add any content, your website may well look like this. Before you can change the content, you must first log in to your website, and there are two ways to do this. Firstly, you can log in directly through your website by clicking the Login or Admin button, which is generally located in the header of your website. A login screen then appears, in which you can enter the username and password that have been emailed to you. Alternatively, you can log in from the home page of the Reason8.com website. Once you have logged in, you will notice that your website drops down a few centimeters, and above the header appear 6 new navigation buttons. Ordinarily, these buttons will not be available or visible to your visitors. These buttons are the main buttons through which you modify your website. We'll now quickly look at each of these buttons in turn, giving you an overview of what's available. After you click Step 1, you'll see a basic form that needs to be completed. The information on the form is used throughout your website. The web name and address is used in the contact details and within the header. The postcode is used to generate an automated map on your contact page, which allows your visitors to see where you're located. The information included in the search engine terms and in your theme are woven through the fabric of your website, enabling search engines to find you. You can even upload a logo and change your billing details. After completing the form, you must click Save Info. Clicking Step 2 allows you to change and modify the style or the look and feel of your website. You can choose a template design from our library and select navigation buttons that suit the template or the colour scheme of your business. Step 3 is where most of the functionality associated with changing the content of your web pages is contained. Here you can create and delete pages, modify the content, upload images, add links, and do pretty much anything that you need to do in order to make your site look professional. And the great thing about the system is that you can change the content without changing the style, which means that you can go back and change the template or the colour scheme of your site without affecting the content that you've entered in Step 3. Clicking Step 4 allows you to manage groups and items within your website. Groups could be categories of products and items could be products, but you're free to use this concept to manage and display whatever you choose. This is a powerful and very flexible system which allows multi-tiered viewing of content within your website. Every group that you create automatically produces a new button, and clicking the button displays all the products in that group within a matrix thumbnail display. It's important to realise that when you make changes to your website, you're making those changes live. There's no delay between making the changes and waiting for them to appear on your website. You don't have to try and log in and then upload your changes. And of course, you don't have to download or set up any complicated software on your PC. Everything is done live on the internet. Of course, this means that you can see the changes that you have made to your website immediately. To do this, simply click the 5th button at the top, Test Your Website. When you have completed your editing session, it's important to click the Log Out button. This ensures that your content is safe. This concludes the Getting Started movie.